So this is the vanity. The flooring I have changed. I have gone for Kota flooring here. The pattern which I have used is again in sync with the main passage which I have already explained. So Kota is used because I had Kota flooring already in the bedroom. So since to maintain that same Kota flow, also there is a patch of in the living room we have white makrana marble which was already there. So which is again with the greenish and greyish pattern. So just to camouflage or to just balance the design and balance the flow with the natural stone, because we don't have any artificial tiles as such in the living, dining and even in the bedrooms. I opted for plain Kota. The size of Kota was 23 inches by 23 inches, but I have cut it in such a pattern so that it gives a different pop for the area. Also it gives a kind of enhancement with a feel, like it gives a bungalow kind of feel. So that is how the passage was flowed with the help of Kota and with this pattern. The vanity area is completely the old one. I have not done anything new here as such. It is only the repair work which was done for the existing furniture. It was only the hardware which was changed. The rest everything is completely kept same. Even this light fitting was old light fitting. I have just revived this light. I mean, I have just changed the bulbs. This was the only light which was in a good to go condition. So I have just kept the light same over here. And for the ceiling, I have gone for again sponging effect in paint, and I have gone for a surface light which is again 15 watts. So the ceiling surface lights are again by Philips. So this is how the vanity passage has been revived. For both the bedrooms, this is the entryway towards both the bedrooms. So bedrooms door have been relaminated, the hardware have been changed, and for framing I have used the same laminate. It is only the routing which we have done with the help of using wood. So if you see, this end is polished, but it is polished in such a way that the color is completely camouflaged. So you don't see the effect, you don't see two different materials, you feel that it is just a part of the same unit. So that's it from the vanity end. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. If you resonate with my content, do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.